Cup of coffee. Mannold Lake again. I came up on that end. I'm going back that way. I did a bit of the fields lower below, down the end there, on the way up along the footpath. I found a few coins. I found a pound coin. I found a couple of coins just on the beach bit here, about 40 pence. I found, before I worked myself up the path, there's a little ruin of a house I made a video of before. It's a ruin in the middle of the fields. And I stopped there and had a look. I did a bit of detecting. And a metal detector, which is there. I found 2 old coins and a buckle. I'll show you now. See, those are the bits I found today. These are the bits of buckle. They're supposed to be there, like so. See that there? That's be fixed to something, like rivets there. Oops, and it's just fell off again. And this the other bit. Which goes with it somehow. What's in there? Back there. See, this thing here is supposed to go in there, like that somehow. I don't know if that's on the inside or the outside. Something like that. I think it's silver, you know. I'm not 100% sure though. I'll have to get home and I'll do a bit of cleaning on it and see what it says, if there's anything written on it. But that's how it came out of the ground, that colour. It was a few inches down, 4 inches, 5 inches. Then I just found this fishing weight on the bank where I am now, a 20 pence coin. Another 20 pence coin, so that's 40 pence. This is a pound coin, which I found on the way up along the footpath. I can exchange that for the new pound when I clean it up a little bit. It's a bit dirty now. And I also found 2 halfpennies. I think one's Queen Victoria, one's Windsor King George. So Victoria's going to be 1890s, something there about. And then George comes a little bit after, in 1901, 1902. I think that's a 5 pence piece, a little 5 pence. That was also on the path on the way up. And I found 2 halfpennies, as I was coming through the gate, halfway up, it's a bit of a boggy bit, but I can't see anything on them. Pretty manky. Ooh, there's a bit of frost this morning. Ooh, ouch. There's a bit of frost been this morning. The skies are blue at the moment. They did cloud over a while back, but it's cleared. It's cleared up there now. I'm not sure what time it is. Could be 3:30. So I stopped here, have a cup of coffee. I don't know how much steps I've taken, but I've been out for 3 hours, I think. So I walked about 1.5 miles, 2 miles, maybe more than that. It might be 3 miles when I get home. Right then. Looks a bit dark, but it's not. It's because of the lights on that side. You see I can't zoom because I made a mistake when I started filming. So there's my finds for today. I don't think I've got any of the finds. I'm sure I stuck them in one pocket. I'm sure I did. Yeah. I got a snotty nose. I've still got the cold, which I've had for a few days. And I had some bad news with one of my friends. My old friend that I was visiting and doing a few favours for him occasionally. I passed away on Sunday. His name was John. An old friend. Used to come fishing here when I was a teenager. He's much older than I am. He's 75 today. He was 75 this year anyway. And I'm not quite 60, so I used to come up here with him fishing at night. Me and my brother. And I fished with him for many years while I was at school on the summer holidays. We'd come up here, fish at night, do a bit like camping, a cup of tea, and fishing overnight in the dark. So he won't be fishing anymore, I'm afraid. He's gone up there, I hope. Yeah. Goodbye, my old friend. He's going to be cremated, I'm afraid. And they've asked me if I wanted to go. I'm welcome to go with his niece to the crematorium next Friday on the 8th. So rest in peace, John. We'll miss you, mate. So I'll dedicate this one for John. It's John Hamer, age 57. Rest in peace. Peace be with everyone, with you all.